I'm Steve Smith and I'm an occupational hygienist at Dust Arrest. What you see behind me here is a mega superstructure, and what you get from Dust Arrest is not only solutions for filtration, but you also get the genius that creates this kind of thing. This is a one-off, unique project that we're calling Operation TP, and we're here today working with the Home Improvement Channel, Brad and Phil, to give them complete containment for sandblasting their narrowboat. We built this wonderful structure, which is the 9th wonder of the world. It's more stable than the Leaning Tower of Pisa. I can guarantee that. And what's more, we've checked it with the spirit level. A level anyway, right? Today's plan is erecting the TP, which is a complete masterstroke. You can see that here. And we bought a whole range of equipment that we use for containment for dust enclosures. We've also bought the reusip magnetic door entry system, which we'll be inserting into either end. We have introduced Brad and Phil to the Dustblocker revolution. They are fully on board, they are revolutionised. And we are using the Dustblocker 4000, which is the largest of the horizontal units in the range. It delivers a 4,000 metres cubed an hour of fresh air delivery, and it's going to create a negative pressure inside the tent, and it's going to keep the air clean. We use reusip as an important entry system because, as you can see here, you have a magnetic strip that is stuck to the polythene. You then slit the polythene in between the magnetic closures. You can then part them, walk in, and as the polythene falls together, it magnetically closes. Very, very good and simple, effective system for dust enclosures. Fully recommended and endorsed by Dust Arrest.
I'm Brad. I'm Phil. And together, we're Brad and Phil.